This is the TELEFUNKEN M80 Dynamic Supercardioid Microphone in red. It arrived safely in some really nice looking packaging, and you can see all the different color designs that you can get on this. Inside this packaging, you're going to get the microphone itself. Obviously, you're going to get a bag to keep it in, and you're also going to get a microphone clip, which is on my microphone stand right now. Microphone measures about 7¼ inches in length, about 1.8 inches in diameter, and it's got some heft to it. I'm coming to this microphone from using a Sennheiser E935 for about the last 10 years, which I liked. I'm definitely not an expert on all the technical aspects of microphones, but I've been singing in bands for about 40 years, and you pick up a few things along the way. I also like the way this is notched out design on here. Just a nice looking mic. I got this one to try out after the main singer in our band got one and brought it to practice. He's got a really powerful voice. I've got a really nasally voice, and I like the way that it projected his voice, and I wanted to see what it would do with my nasally voice, and I'm pretty happy with it. And I really like that there are color choices with this because I'm a Phillies fan, so I got mine in Phillies red. And I also like that you can get different color capsules for it too if you want. If I wanted to put a different color capsule on top, just a matter of purchasing one and swapping it out. Really nice build. This mic uses a supercardioid pattern, so it picks up sound directly in front of the mic, and it rejects a lot of the sound coming from the sides and the rear. That's going to help block out stage noise and monitor bleed from wedges below the mic. I wanted to wait until I used this in a bar before I reviewed it because I'm definitely getting a different sound when I use it in practice in the basement as opposed to when I used it in a medium-sized bar the other night, and it sounded fantastic. I have a wedge that sits off to the left of my microphone stand and shoots up at me, and it didn't pick up anything at all. I didn't have any feedback issues with this, and we use a preamp too, and it worked out great. I have a nasally voice, and nasally voices often sit in the range of about 750 to 2000 hertz. This M80 has a wide frequency response with a presence boost in the upper mids and highs, and it definitely added sparkle and clarity to my voice while rolling off some of the low end mud. Everybody's voice is different, and it's just something I had to try out to see if it would work for me. But in my case, it made my nasally voice sound more open, and it cut through the mix without a lot of extra work. Sometimes when we EQ stuff, mics start to feedback, but this one sounded great. It's got a little high shelf cut around 6 to 8 kilohertz too. Compared to the Sennheiser E935, the M80 to me feels brighter. It feels like there's more air on top, and I've got tighter rejection of the stuff coming in from the side due to this supercardioid design. With this mic, you're going to want to stay right on axis and close to the capsule, maybe 1 to 3 inches. I play bass and I always have it in a mic stand, so it's easy for me to stay up on it, you know. Sometimes when I'm doing higher backups or louder parts and I want to back off the mic, with this one I don't have to go as far back, which is kind of cool. I haven't tried this, but also I'm thinking if you're a singer and you're running around stage a lot, most of the mic pickup is right from the front, so as you're running around you're not going to pick up amp noise and stuff coming from the sides. So there you go, something like this would be great obviously for live sound performances, live band performances. I was almost shocked at how good it sounded compared to my E95. It's going to be great for band practice, outdoor gigs, church services, stand-up, whatever, rehearsal rooms. I really like this mic, very nice.